Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to submit this tax info. So if you're getting this kind of message, so it's quite easy to resolve. Click on the add tax info. Once you click on it, you can click on start form. So in business type we can select individual if we are individual. Do you have permanent establishment in Singapore? No. Are you registered for the Singapore? No. And then are you eligible for exemptions? Nope. Are you eligible for the nope. Okay, so see, okay. To go, so I'm in like in India. So what I can do basically in tax assumptions, I can select yes, and here I'll give a residency, basically something I have to give to some kind of certificate which can tell like I'm from India. So driving license can work here, and your passport, just upload that. And does this document have any expiration? Yes, it does have. Driving licenses do have that. So here I'll just write it down. Expiry date 31/10 31 21 2038 2038, and then submit it. Yep, that's it. That's all I have to do, and here you can see it's accepted. So yep, this is how we do it. So thanks so much for watching.